Express! Is this you? If I were you, I would think about climbing on board.
Hello! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome! Welcome aboard the Polar Express. As we race northward, we ask that everybody please remain safely in their seats. It is, of course, a violation of railroad safety regulations for a kid or grown-up to be crossing between the moving cars. My talented chefs here will be using the aisles to serve your refreshments and make your journey enjoyable. We will pass the mountains, snow-covered plains, and the great polar ice caps, where we will reach the North Pole, where Santa will be giving his first gift of Christmas.
Thank you.
Alright, everyone got their tickets down here? Tickets. Amazing. Everyone got their tickets over there, Chef?
What?
Everyone got their tickets down here?
Yeah, they do now.
Fantastic. Alright, so, to make sure you're all here on my list, I'm going to need everyone on the count of 3 to yell your name out as loud as you can. Think you can do that for me?
Yeah!
Alright, ready everyone. 1, 2, 3.
You want to take him down the Primrose Path. You want to be hoodwinked, railroaded. How many of you can see me out of curiosity? Raise your hands if you can see me, Well, maybe some of you can, but then again, maybe some of you can't. One thing's for sure though, seeing is believing. Am I right? Yes. Of course I'm right. Seeing is believing, but sometimes the most real things in this world are the things we can't see. Where are my manners? Allow me to introduce myself. And how do you do? Oh, it's a test. I am the proud owner of this train. I ride it whenever I want. It's like I'm the king of this train. Yeah, the king of the whole
Attention please. Are there any Polar Express passengers who would like to meet Santa? Well, you're all in luck tonight. Santa is on board to meet each and every one of you.
I messed up. What exactly is your persuasion on the big man? Who here's saw him in person, huh? Santa, who saw Santa Claus in person? Well, that leads rightly on to my next question. Do you remember when I was shook the bell like a madman before and you couldn't hear it?